Hi, I'm Sylvia, and I'm here at the 2011 St. Jude Dream Home in Lafayette, Louisiana, at Grand Point Subdivision. I'm here with the Acadiana Ready Mix this morning, and I'm going to get a little information from this guy. He's a real intricate part of what we're doing here this morning. You want to give us your name and who you're with?
Hi, I'm Robbie Venable. I'm with Acadian Ready Mix. We've been donating to St. Jude's for the past 2 years. This will make our third year in business, so this will be a third year we donate.
This is something that we see a lot in our community. Lafayette's really proud of the people that have donated their services and their products year after year after year. And as Robbie said, they're a new company in the community, but since their inception here in our community, they've joined forces with us to help us get this home built. Robbie, tell us a little bit about what you actually hands-on, you and your crews. What do you do when you're on the job in the site that we see behind us?
We make sure that all our trucks get to the farms for the finishers. That way they can place the concrete a little easier. That's pretty much what we do, just deliver the concrete product.
All right. We appreciate you, Robbie, and your company, and we look forward to working with you through this project. Thank you.